In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo XC90 key fob. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, and you'll need to pick up one of these CR2032 batteries as well. They're pretty inexpensive. If you'd like to get one online, you can just go right down there to the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a great price. To open this up and change the battery, we first want to look on the back here where there's this kind of round piece of plastic. Down on the bottom, there is a little bit of an opening. You can see that right there. Take your flathead screwdriver. You can use a smaller one that fits perfectly in there like this, or you can use just whatever you have lying around and go in with the corner. So I'm just going to go in, push down to the bottom, and pry, and the back section will come right off. You can set that to the side. In here, the battery will fall right out. So you can dump that out, dispose of your old battery, and take your new CR2032. Make sure that the positive side is facing up. And you'll just drop that in there. And it is loose in there, but as long as it's sitting down in the housing, it's fine. Now, when we put the back section of plastic on there and snap it down, everything will be nice and secure. And that is the last step. Once you've done that, you have a new battery in there that should last you for a long time, and you are good to go. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to our channel and we will help you out with a tutorial just like this one.